Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Verasity price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, starting on the weekly chart here for our bullish and bearish scenarios, where we of course are gonna see what's gonna happen. So we have of course a range here for WXY, found a psychology here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse toward the upside, finishing wave A or a wave 1, meaning you are in A, B, and a C toward the upside, or a wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 for even higher prices than the wave C. In your bearish scenario, you are of course in a longer correction wave, which we are inside it already, which we are in a bearish market right now for Verasity as A, B, and a C toward the downside, very close to finish this wave C. And obviously that it's gonna be finished in kind of an ending diagonal, probably as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, hitting all those blue boxes, of course, as 4 and a 5. We're still currently looking for a wave 3, probably finish. We're gonna take a look closer, of course, if we have finished it or not. So if we move on the daily here, on the daily you can see, of course, after we got this A, B, and a C, probably was double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still looking for one more wave 4 and a 5. Let's see it, of course, a little bit closer on the 4-hour chart here. As you can see with this label, we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5, and yeah, probably even 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, the 4-hour chart reveals much more for us. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. Yeah, and continuation toward the downside to hit at least our blue box. Now, it is not necessarily that, this can be very deep. We can retrace a little bit higher and then finish here and then 4 and a 5 somehow like this, yeah, to finish inside the blue box, yeah, somehow like that. So probably you can get a very high wave 4 coming back to this area, the previous wave 4, as a guideline from Elliott wave theory, of course, that your second wave 4 can come back to the same range of your previous wave 4, and then for 5 to finish this and start the impulse a little bit toward the upside. Impulse, why? Because of course you need a wave 4 here as a zigzag, or it can be as well corrective. It's not necessarily to be impulse, but definitely you need an impulse and you need a zigzag to reach this area. And of course, moving for this wave 4 in the blue box, and then of course continuation toward the downside. After finishing this wave 5 here, of course you would like to see a bigger impulse toward the upside, of course, reaching of course a much more higher prices for a wave C or for a wave 3. Yeah, so it has to be a massive impulse for higher prices, especially that this ends up inside the 0.618, 0.786 for this impulse that we got already here. Yeah, so very nice. We're gonna see anyway. Don't forget as well, as a bearish scenario, you have also an ABC here. Yeah, you have A, B, and a C in the blue count here. And anyway, you finished as well 3 waves down. So in all case scenarios, you're looking for higher prices from this area, which we are inside it right now. All the thing about Verasity is all about time, yeah, so it's only about time. It's gonna range a little bit. Sooner or later it's gonna move very massively to the upside. And if we take a closer look on KGT as well, so currently on KGT we have a buy signal, we have a bullish signal as well, very nice. But of course the previous bullish signal was invalidated because we took the low, of course. And but probably the CVD line has to move for higher currently a little bit, at least to get a bearish signal again. We still need to move higher, meaning of course probably taking even the high here for the previous wave 4 as expected before, right? So let's see even a bigger overview on the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, as you can see, the bearish signal, conversions, invalidation of the bullish, but actually we need to move higher a little bit. Yeah, we need to move higher. We can move, of course, to this area, definitely. Yeah, because if you need here to move a little bit higher with the CVD line to get your bearish signal later on, you will need, of course, higher prices. Very simple. So I think that even we can consider that this wave has finished without reaching perfectly the blue box. Yeah, it's not perfect. Don't forget that this is also can be the 0.618 can be a target for a wave 3, yeah, already. So it's already inside the perfect fib levels as well, which are, yeah, very, very close, but I think it's finished, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing wave 5, just with few cents here, yeah, and then moving for higher. I think that we are very, very ready, even probably to move higher, and then moving, yeah, probably if we see this, then we can consider something else here. Yeah, we can consider a finished ABC as a 1 2 and then 3 4 and F5, 1 2 3 4 and F5. Probably, yeah, it can be as well as kind of ending diagonal, probably, but yeah, very, very early to say this. I mean, this is totally different scenario. Higher possibility, of course, still for these 4 5s, unless something else unfold here. If we break the high, I would say, yeah, something else is unfolding, but so far I prefer to wait this. Yep. That was it for Verasity. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.